Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and really this is more so about lasering. So it could be a laser tip and trick. I shared a file with somebody, and I'm fortunate enough to have an Epilogue Fusion that's 40 by 28. And I shared the file with him, and he said it wouldn't print out. Well, he has a Helix that's only 24 by 18. I don't ever use a printer on this particular laptop. I don't ever engrave. But let's make it the size of a Helix, which is 24 by 18. And go to the preview window. There's nothing there. The laser can't see it because it's off the page. As you can see, I need to change mine. You can see it's 24 by 18. And it's somewhere out here in space. You can't find it. Matter of fact, Corel actually gave you an issue. Output does not fit media. So when you receive a file from somebody, make it the size of your laser bed. See how that is? Now my file is not in there, and we'll do this. Now this time we're 24 by 18. We'll go up to print, and we'll change it to 24 by 18, the size of your laser bed, and hit preview, and there it is. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.